My name is Ikoro Amarachi. I'm from Adandiigbo State. I'm a boss and I'm a student, a final year student at the University of Port Harcourt. I study mass communication, and at the same time, I'm a TV and radio presenter. Currently, I work with Unique FM in Port Harcourt. So I decided to come for Adandiigbo because one, I have love for the Igbo land, and for what I've been seeing and what I've been going on, I think it's high time we started to appreciate our culture and our heritage. I've gone to other languages, other states, I've seen other tribes, I see the way they embrace their culture, their tradition, their heritage, they love it. If you go to London, you see lots of Yorubas and the way they explore their culture. So I just feel it's high time Nigerians appreciate we Igbos, because if you look around, Igbo is the one ruling this country. Most of the industries, most of the companies in Nigeria is owned by the Igbo. So I feel this is a platform for me to learn more about our cultural heritage, because since I came to this place, I've learned so many things I didn't even know about Igbo. So I really feel this is the best platform for me to learn all that. Thank you so much.